I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Magento, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment gateway settings. Ensure that your payment gateway settings are correctly configured. Go to Store's configuration cells, payment methods, and verify that all required fields are filled out. Step 2. Review order status. Check the order status in the admin panel. If the order is stuck in pending, it may indicate a problem with the payment processing. Navigate to Sales Orders to view the status. Step 3. Enable debugging. Turn on debugging for your payment gateway. This can help you identify any errors during the payment process. Look for the debug option under your payment method settings and enable it. Note, some gateways may require you to refresh the cache after enabling debugging. Step 4. Check for conflicting extensions. Sometimes, third-party extensions can interfere with payment processing. Disable any recently added extensions and test the payment process again. Go to Store's Configuration Advanced to manage extensions. Step 5. Contact payment provider. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you resolve the payment issue quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.